If you're looking for new construction opportunities in North Peoria, then today we're going on a tour of the model homes of Richmond American at Northpointe at Vistancia. So let's get to it. And hey, if you're new here, my name is Braiden. I'm a real estate agent in the Glendale and Peoria areas with the Desert Charm Living real estate team at HomeSmart. I work with my mom, we're a team, and we are natives to the Valley, sharing about real estate and Northwest Valley lifestyle. So if you would give us a like, subscribe to this channel, we would love to help you or just let you know what it's like living.
Okay, just walked in. This is the front bedroom, right here off of the main door. It smells like birthday cake in here. All right, and bathroom number one, you got a double vanity shown here, a tub shower combo. Excuse my wording. Love that herringbone tile. Beautiful. All right. We've got a beautiful office here. Kitchen, great room area. Pantry, nice walk-in size. And then here's your backyard, gorgeous. Here's your backyard. Gorgeous mountain views here in this community. You're surrounded by mountains. And with this being brand new, that's what you've got. So you've got that indoor-outdoor living there. Okay, so we're walking into the master bedroom. Full shower there, double vanity, and your closet. Okay, so just walked in. Got bedroom number one off of the entryway again. This is the 2-story model for Richmond American at the Northpointe and Vistancia community. Got your kitchen here. Great room, so a little bit of a different layout. This goes to your garage. You've got a little bit of storage there. And this would actually be your pantry that's under. Well, actually, maybe not. There's your pantry. Got that across. And then we'll go upstairs. All right. So you've got all the bedrooms besides that one up here. I have a little loft area, which is cute. Bathroom with a double vanity, tub and shower combo. Bedroom. pretty good size. That first one was small, but it'd be a really perfect guest bedroom. Nice size closet here. Got your laundry room upstairs. And then here we've got the master, or the primary, I should say. Mountain views. And then we'll go into the bathroom. So you've got a full length shower here, no tub. Got a nice herringbone tiling, and then you've got a ginormous walk-in closet. You know those closets you see on HGTV where you can put a stool and different organization for getting ready? That would be perfect for this home. And then this is the little linen closet, and then this is the 5th bedroom. Alright, we'll go downstairs and then we're gonna check out the backyard real quick. Here's just from the view from the backyard coming inside. Really like this layout and floor plan in here. Love the gray cabinets with gold hardware too. Very modern. Oops. Got myself. Oh gosh. Okay. And then here's your backyard. It's nice and windy right now, so you've got a built-in grill, and there's like awning over there. Pretty good size because this is a 2-story, obviously your backyard. I hope you found this video helpful. If you liked this video, please give it a like, drop a comment of your favorite home feature that you saw today, and make sure you subscribe. I'm releasing new videos every Saturday.